Alright, this is Brent Mark with VP Kitchen Equipment. We have here a 2020 Bizerba GSP HD W. This is actually a W model because it has this. The W stands for weighing platter. You can see here that when I remove the sharpener, there's actually a weigher underneath so that you can utilize the weighing mechanism for your operations. I won't be getting too much into the intricate uses of these. We'll be uploading a video showcasing the differences between the HD and the HDW models. For the time being, I'm just going to be looking at the general cosmetic condition of this specific slicer. So what I'll do is I'll start on the left side, then I'll work my way all the way around. That way you see everything that's going on with this slicer. So starting off with this side, you can see here that it has some pretty light scratching here in the corner. Overall, this is in pretty good shape though. Sometimes you see scratches that run all the way down the side right here. That is not the case right here. See, there is a bit of wear right on the weighing bar mechanism. So overall in pretty good shape. I will say there is one crack in this arm right here. However, we glued it back together and it works just fine. That's why we refurbish, right? In addition to that, we have a brand new platter here on here. Before I get to the platter, actually, I'll mention this. All the HDW models that we sell come with sharpeners. The reason for that is because the sharpeners actually need to be calibrated to this specific machine. Again, we'll make a video more on this later. This platter right here is brand new, has never been used before. So this is a brand new product. And then you can see here that it's got some light scratching, honestly not a whole lot, some scuffs back here. Besides that, the slicer's in really good shape. You can see the operator screen is used but is in good condition. It's very light scratching here, honestly not too much. Let's put that back on there. Alright, coming around to the front, as I already talked about, the operator screen looks good. Some very light scratching here into the left of the dial right here. The dial's in pretty good shape. This carriage is in excellent condition, little to no scratches whatsoever. It's got a bit of wear right here. That's really not a whole lot to mention. Coming to the right side over here, this is in excellent shape. Again, very little scratching here along the column. That's typically where you see a bunch of pitting and scratches like that is here on the exterior part, but this is once again in pretty good shape. To reference the carriage real quick, the carriage is in excellent condition and has wear marks that run down here. That is from this little white nub right here resting. As you can see, it follows that channel pretty easily. Going back to the side right here, this also has a brand new quarter covering blade cover. Again, never used. And this blade is in excellent shape. There's plenty of life left. A reason to say that it's been used honestly a handful of times, but it's got quite a bit of life left. I will mention real quick that I'm not going over the refurbishment that we do on these machines. This is simply a cosmetic look at this machine. We'll be doing a separate video on, as I mentioned before, a comparison between the models, as well as what exactly we do here at BP underneath. On the back, again, looks great. Very little scratching. I will say you can see a little bit of marking right there where previous owner looked like they scrubbed it a little too hard, but overall in good shape. This comes with a brand new meat grip cover as well. Never before used, so this guy right here is brand new. And I will very quickly showcase just the slicer operating. So I'm going to leave it in automatic mode. I'm going to set it to strokes, and I'm going to put it at 16 with a low stroke speed. All right. See, whenever the blade is open, it flashes red, just indicate you need to be careful. And we're going to click run. All right. Again, as I mentioned before, we're going to be doing an in-depth review of all of our machines and why you would want to buy this machine over an automatic or over a manual. But for the time being, that is this slicer. Let me know if you have any questions about this slicer. I'm more than happy to take your call. My number is 720-334-0129. Thank you very much. very much, and I hope you have a good day.